Students, Assalamu alaikum. Botany second year, chapter number 3, lecture number 2, page number 88. Topic: responses to environmental stresses in plant. Plant need nutrients and different environmental factors for their growth. In case of short supply of nutrients, all factors exert stress on plants. Shortage of nutrients affects their health and survival. For example, if plants are grown without light, they become extremely long. Chlorophyll is not developed in them and known as etiolated plants. Those plants which shows yellow leaves and chlorophyll is not developed in them, the leaves are called etiolated leaves. If there is short supply of nutrients in the soil, the plants fail to form sufficient chlorophyll and become yellowish in color, and the condition is called chlorosis. This condition in which chlorophyll is not formed inside the leaves, it is called chlorosis, lack of chlorophyll. Now we come to another topic, plants' defense mechanism against pathogens. Plants can be attacked by several pathogens. Pathogens are diseases. Different type of fungi, bacteria, virus and nematodes. It's a type of insect. Attacks on plants and cause different diseases. Plants can protect themselves without antibiotics because they have many features or structures which are helpful to prevent them from infection. These structures are known as defense structures and already present inside the plant body. For example, surface wax or cuticle. On the surface of the leaves, a waxy layer of cuticle is present, which is a protective layer for the leaf. And the structure of epidermal cells. They are arranged in such a way that they protect the plant from fungal attack. And structure of epidermal cells and position of stomata and lenticels, they are not exposed. In some plants they are embedded. In some plants embedded stomata are present. They are not located in the first layer of epidermis. Instead of first layer of epidermis, they are located inside the cells. They are embedded inside the cells. 2 or 3 layers are present over them. So they are known as sunken stomata or embedded stomata. Their position is very useful for the plant body. That fungus cannot attack directly to the plant body or to the leaf. And they have a very thick cell wall. A thick cell wall is present around the cell. And along with the position of stomata, in case of stem, lenticels are present inside the bark. Lenticels are slit-like structures which are present in the surface of stem for the aeration of gases, and they also present in such a way that it prevents fungal infection or from other pathogens. And thick cell wall is another adaptation which is present inside the cell, and leaf hairs are present on the surface of the leaf, and they are also protective in function. Some defense structures are formed after infection to prevent them from further entry of parasites. यानी ये सब एडेप्टेशंस तो पहले से मौजूद होती हैं प्लांट के अंदर और उनको प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं, लेकिन कुछ डिफेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि आफ्टर इन्फेक्शन फॉर्म होती हैं. And this process takes place at the cell level. It is called cellular defense, or tissue level it is known as histological defense. Now we will discuss some examples. Number 1, histological defense. Formation of cork layers. Formation of cork layer occur on the stem. Cork is thick corky bark is present over the surface of stem, which is protective in function. And formation of abscission layers inside the leaves. In the leaves, abscission occur after infection, and shedding of the leaf occur in case of plants. Formation of tylosis on the surface of stem. On the surface of stem, a chemical substance which is tylosis or oil, or it is present in the form of chemical substance, and it is formed on the surface of stem, which is protective in function. Deposition of gums on the surface of trees is another process, or another adaptation. A gum-like excretion occur from the trees, which is protective in function, and it takes place in many trees. Now we will discuss cellular defense. Group of cells. Cellular defense takes place at cell level. Group of cells or callus is quickly formed around the injured part. यानी जहाँ से टिश्यूज़ ब्रेक होते हैं वहाँ पर क्विकली उसकी जो है रिपेयर हो जाती है और न्यू टिश्यूज़ फॉर्म हो जाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलस, यानी कि वहाँ पे कैलस की फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है. कैलस इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ अनडिफरेंशिएटेड मास ऑफ सेल. इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड इन दैट एरिया. And necrotic defense or hypersensitivity, it means death of cell occur around the infected cells, and there are some other methods also like this. In case of infected cell, if it is present over the surface of plant, then death of cells occur around the infected site. यानी जिस जगह पे इन्फेक्शन हुई है उसके इर्द गिर्द सेल्स जो है वो डेड हो जाते हैं ताकि उस जगह को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके और ये इन्फेक्शन बाकी सेल्स में ना चली जाए. उन डेथ ऑफ सेल की वजह से ये इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड नहीं होगी. इन टोमेटो प्लांट द लीव्स रिलीज सम कंपाउंड्स विच प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम फंगल अटैक, while in onion phenolic compounds are produced by the plant to protect them from infection. यानी डिफरेंट प्लांट्स में कुछ केमिकल्स होते हैं और उन केमिकल्स की मौजूदगी इन प्लांट्स को इन्फेक्शन से प्रोटेक्ट किए रखती है.